Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make that amazing PowerPoint modern template slide in PowerPoint. So let's start. First of all, you have to open up a blank slide, go to format background and click on picture texture fill and go to insert and you're gonna insert your image. Now let's close the format background. Go to insert tab, pictures and this device and you're gonna insert that same image again. Go to insert tab, shapes and insert a rectangle onto the entire slide that it covers the entire of the picture. Now you're gonna remove its outline, go to format background, format shape and you're gonna change its color to black and change its transparency to 40. Now go to this let's close this format background and format uh, shape for now. What we're gonna do is insert this shape from the shapes in insert tab and we're gonna adjust it. Let's just make it a little bit thicker and let's change this angle and we're gonna go to arrange and rotate and flip horizontally and it is flipped horizontally. Now the next thing we're gonna do is adjust it and right click on it, go to format shape. We're gonna go to background fill and we're gonna go to shadow and let's give it this shadow. Go to transparency and change it into like 40 and you're gonna decrease the transparency to 0 and for the size you're gonna change it to 59. Yeah, something like this. Let's stop at 59. Go to shape format and remove its outline. Now let's duplicate it by pressing Ctrl D. We're gonna place that one next to the first shape and there you go. Now let's close the format shape and add your text. Duplicate the template and move that one onto the top. You're gonna go to format background, format shape of that rectangle. You're gonna go to transparency and uh, increase it to 100%. Let's move each of the shape out of the template. I'm gonna move this one upwards and the other one downwards. And for the text, I'm gonna select it and I'm gonna move it onto the left side. Let's move the header somewhat near the template and move the line more onto the left side and the content text more onto the left side as compared to the header. So let's select the both of the templates, go to transition and give them more transition. So that was all for today and I hope you liked the video and if you did, don't forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe my channel for more amazing videos and content like this and you can download this template for free from the link in the description.